Blind Karnia. I'm here to share my experience of 9 months of face prep and with the students of AI department. 9 months ago, I lacked confidence and I didn't know how to do a public speaking or I didn't know like professionally racing. But after 9 months, I have gained confidence and I know how potential I could see myself. And I also attended Microsoft AI tour where I had opportunity to take a photo with them. And I also got into first seat where I had listened to his speech, which was like amazing to me. And I have did 40 plus LinkedIn certifications, which is able to like do public speaking and communication skills. Yeah, I also did like a national English essay competition, which is in the Tenampet, which is also like a wonderful opportunity, which is given by Face Prep. So I wanted to conclude with the Kanye West quote: "If I didn't win, unless we never know. If I could transform in 9 months, so you can. Juniors can join in this college. We will be able to do like 90% of technical skills and communication skill, where it will be able to like provide a lot of interviews which will exceed in IT companies and all that."